Hey planners, do you want to level up your social media video content but you're not sure where to begin? Using pre-made Capcut is the best place to start. Today I'm going to show you how to find and use Capcut templates so you can take your video content to the next level and start creating viral content. Now you can either create your own videos from scratch or use one of their pre-made templates. Their pre-made templates combine both music, effects, and filters to really help make the process super easy. Now, don't worry, there's no need to have any video editing experience here. You simply import your clips and let the app do the rest. Okay, are you ready? Let's go through the next few steps together. To access these templates, you'll first want to download the Capcut app in the App Store. Now, once you're ready to access the templates, open up the app and simply go to the home screen. Navigate to the bottom of the page where you can see a template button. Now, once you're in the template tab, you'll be able to see a bunch of templates that are recommended for you. You can choose from different categories like fitness, memes, retro, effects, and more. Plus, you can also get access to Reels and TikTok specific templates as well. You can also use the search bar to browse even more templates. For example, if you've seen a specific trend on Reels or TikTok that you want to try, you can search for the keywords relating to that trend, or you can recreate your own version. The second way is through TikTok. There are a couple of ways to find Capcut templates through TikTok. The first is simply scrolling through your For You page and waiting until you come across a TikTok that catches your eye, and then you can select Use this template in Capcut. From there, you'll be redirected to Capcut, where you can add your own photos and videos and change the text. On the other hand, you can also search Capcut templates in the TikTok search box and scroll through until you find the one that you want to use. Either way, finding Capcut templates through TikTok is a great way to keep on top of trends and really get involved in creating engaging and viral content. Now, we have even more info for you here, like our best practices when it comes to using Capcut templates. You can check it out in the link below, and you'll see the complete dedicated blog post. But until next time, happy planning.